What's up, everybody? Welcome to the ReCoop. I'm your host, Cooper Daniels, and today is Tuesday. That's right, man. It's Tuesday, May 7th. I'm back. It was a long weekend. We took off Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, buddy. That's what we did. That's what we did. And now we're back. I'm in a hat and a sweatshirt because I love my life. You guys excited? Market is expecting rate cuts. We get a little bit of pump. We had that dip that stopped dipping, folks. And now we're in this sideways chop. Rather expected. We don't really know where things are headed. Hamas agreed to a ceasefire that was never offered to them. But at this point, maybe they should just stop firing. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't seem to be doing anybody any good. I don't know. And then the Fed made it pretty clear that they're not going to be hiking and that they would much prefer to cut rates, and they're looking for a weakness in the jobs reports. I think we're getting a jobs report later in this week. I may have that wrong, though, but I think so. So if we start to see weakness in job, and the joblessness goes up, unemployment goes up, we might start to see rate cuts. So let's go. Everybody lose their job. What's going on? Here we go. GFY's in the building. Hey, guys. I think it's on Thursday, right, GFY? At 4:20, I imagine, Eastern time. The KubeCoin CRV, which are currently going Coop with hat. There we go. New token, babe. Hey, it's Rick Strong here. Fuck RWA, man. Bunch of pussy farts out there paper handing it. Fucking fingering them assholes getting paper cuts when they should be. Now you can just buy a Rick Whiff hat, man. Just buy a Rick Whiff hat, bro. Put a hat on them. Then we go out there and we go parabolic. Thursday, 4:20 p.m. Eastern. The KubeCoin CRV. The masterminds behind the ongoing sex drive. I had nothing to do with that. That's not my joke. They're on a sex drive to get Coop listed on a centralized exchange. Come on, man. They're doing a good job. And on Thursday, they have some NFTs, and they look fantastic. It's a collaboration with many, many, many artists in the Algorand ecosystem. And I've seen a sneak peek of a few of them, and they look fantastic. I mean, like genuinely fantastic. So it's going to be really fun. I haven't seen much. I don't even think I've seen one with hair. So that's going to be cool to see. And I think that they're going to be rewarding holders with some of the purse that they have, that treasury. And I believe some of the proceeds will be going to that sex drive. And folks, your boy Coop does have a sex drive. You know what I'm saying? Very, very vigorous one. And the artwork, and you've seen it every morning, every time that we watch this show, from my intro done by the fantastic block runner from Flemish Giants. I think that's where it started. And then there was, incredible artists. We'll talk more about it as we get closer to Thursday. Today's Tuesday, but on Thursday at 4:20, they're going to be dropping these. And I think that there's going to be some perks to owning them. And also, it's just going to be a good thing to do to support the KubeCoin CRV and all the things that they're trying to do. Hell yeah. Good morning, Coop. About to add another million RWA. Let's fucking go. Cap hits. What's going on? I had somebody reach out to me about a collaboration. I need to respond to them because I like that project. The issue about me doing an LP collaboration with RWA is I don't really own any, man. I gave them all away. I bought some. I have some. They gave me some, but it's nothing that substantial. I don't even know how many I own. I own at least 2-3 million. No, I'm saying. Pretty cheap to get a million of those RWA these days, isn't it? I haven't even looked. We're going to look today. What's up, GFY? We got it. All right. Good morning. I'm back in Italy. Still can't see any Algorand here. A guy did ask for a euro. Maybe he was an Algorand poor. He's back in Italy and he doesn't see any Algorand. He's like, where's the Algorand? Algo. We got Bomber Harris in Italy right now going, Algo. And everyone's like, ciao. And he's like, no, Algo. And they're like, okay. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. What am I saying? Let's see. Coof with hat. Yep. Thursday. Inspired by Block Runner's art for your show. That's for damn sure. All right, folks. Hey, thank you for tuning in. Let's have a good time. Let's navigate the noise. Let's see what's going down out there and, knock off the rust from me not doing the show for a bit. I feel a little rusty. I've been updating my Patreon with unhinged Rick Strong videos. Rick Strong has a tendency to say whatever the hell I want to. So sometimes I'm going to be like, nah, let's not post that. You guys don't even give a shit about him anyways. I don't care about Rick. Why doesn't anybody care about Rick? But sometimes they're a little too unhinged. So I just put those on Patreon. So if you want to join the Patreon, just do that. Join it. I think it's $5. $5 a month. Goes to feeding poor children in Los Angeles. Just kidding. Oh, man. Someday my wife's going to make me sell. Not today, man. Not today, bro. Hey, man. Ricky Strong's. Long Dong, Rick Strong. All right, here we go. Let's go to CNBC and see what's going on over there. Wrong one. Share screen. Disable camera. Add source. Share screen. All right. All right, CNBC. What do we got? The Dow is ticking up pretty sideways. Everything is about this sideways, up 1/4 of a point for the S&P 500. The Russell 2K is actually outperforming all 4 indexes. The VIX is down. Oil's down. It's been trending down for a bit. Gold's trending down a bit. But it's still up there and elevated. Say trending down, but it's still over 2,300, which is pretty good. Silver sitting over 27 is also good. We'll check out crypto in a bit. Disney says streaming is nearly breaking even, but shares sink 10% on weak guidance, our soft guidance. 10 years down 1%. Disney's down 10%. What is charged lemonade? Caffeinated lemonade? Okay, ahead of retail earnings. So is that what we got coming? There are signs that the U.S. consumer is still spending, especially on experiences, but stubbornly high prices are squeezing customers or consumers with lower incomes, pressuring everyday purchases and corporate profits. Home Depot and Walmart will kick off first quarter retail earnings next week. All right, so we're going to get retail earnings reports next week. We'll get a lot more information on how consumers are spending, yada, 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 yada. You want to see a tightening in that. You want to see these things going down. You want to see people are starting to struggle so that would theoretically make it seem like inflation's going down and they can start cutting rates. Then once they start cutting rates, we all get excited. Okay, let's go to Bloomberg real quick just to check out the headlines. Bloomberg. Israel edges into Rafah with tension high over stalled talks. TikTok sues U.S. government to block, divest, or ban law. Ex-Google CEO says he considered buying TikTok. It got quiet. Coop, are you there still? You just reading? All right, nothing. I was looking at the Drudge Report when I was down here. Let's see. What does Drudge have to say? She spanked him. Gross. Oh, man. The state of America. America, bro. Hey, man. Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Beijing's cheating threatens to wreck games. You know what I'm saying, man? We're just in America, baby. All right, let's go to the block. All right, so fuck you. All right. Solana Deepin Ambient raises funds ahead of token launch, acquires Planet Watch. What? What? Algo? Or did you guys just read that with me? Is there anybody that pays attention? Is anybody watching this? Okay, hold on. I'm going back to the chat. Did you guys know this? Okay, I'm gonna click on this and we're gonna read about it. But did anybody know about this? Some Solana thing just bought Planet Watch. Okay, hold on. Let's go to the chat. Did you guys know about this thing? I am keeping up with Kendrick versus Drake, but did you guys see this? What the fuck, man? No, you didn't, right? Thank you. Okay, is anything not leaving Algorand? Holy shit. Okay, exclusive. All right, can you guys see? Yeah, you guys can see. Let's read about it. What the fuck? Negatory. Everybody's like, nobody knew about. Breaking news. Algorand, Planet Watch just got bought. Oh, man. Pretty soon, the Algorand Foundation is going to rebrand to the Sui Foundation. What the fuck is going on? All right, let's go to the block. Solana Deepin Ambient raises funds ahead of token launch, acquires Planet Watch. Oh, man. Planet Watch is moving to Solana. Holy shit. The ultimate kick in the nuts, folks. Bros. Mom, Dad, who's here? Planet Watch is leaving Algorand to go to Solana. Grandma? Grandma, Planet Watch. The fucking Italian guys that have been doing all the transactions on Algorand leaving, going to Solana, Grandma. Holy shnikes. Okay, Ambient also acquired Planet Watch, an Algorand-based Deepin project. You know how much money the foundation has poured into this goddamn thing? Borderless capital. Borderless. Borderless. Oh, borderless. They took that mALGO money and they're making shit happen. Just kidding. Ambient, a Solana-based decentralized physical infrastructure network focused on collecting environmental data, has raised $2 million in a seed funding round. Borderless Capital led the round with Solana Ventures, Parami Investors, Sonic Boom, and Primal Capital. Ambient started raising for the round in February and closed it in April. Co-founder and CEO Luca Franchi told the block the round was structured as a simple agreement for future equity with token warrants. Ambient acquires Planet Watch. Ambient was formed in January of this year. In March, it acquired Planet Watch. In March. Oh, so this isn't even new. An Algorand-based Deepin project focused on environmental data and decided to migrate to Solana. Planet Watch currently has its own token, Planets, on the Algorand blockchain, but Ambient will launch its own new token on Solana. Okay. The current network is powered by the Planets token. Over the coming weeks, we will publish a roadmap to launch a new token on Solana, along with migration incentives and an overhaul of the platform to power Ambient's ambitions. Fuck, man. Swear to God. Oh, dude. Hey, bro, I can't really do much other than just fucking talk like this. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, hey, Rick Strong here, man. Reading the news. Just reading the news, bros. All right. Ambient collects real-time and localized environmental data through sensors. Borderless Capital has Agro Token building their own chain in the Polkadot ecosystem. Now Planet Watch is migrating to Solana with the help of Borderless Capital. TravelX. Hi, TravelX. My name is Cooper. I'd like to say, please, come on, don't listen to Borderless. The Algorand ecosystem was under attack when I told you it was under attack, motherfuckers. All right, you hear me? I was right. And we're seeing it play out. Oh, man. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, the thing is that I was mad at Planet Watch. I went to war with Planet Watch because I had gotten this stupid sensor, air sensor, and then I couldn't use that sensor. It was an expensive fucking thing. Thought it was a really annoying thing that they had done. So I mean, D-Pin is a narrative, and now they're moving over to Solana. All right. What do you guys think? I'm actually curious now. I want to hear. We still got sneakers. We still got sneakers. Native. Still got sneakers. I'm literally barefoot right now. I don't got sneakers. Little Dirk. I heard that you're converting to Islam. Do they condone stealing? Oh man. Hey, we still got Scully friends. We got KoopCoin. I mean, at this point, why don't we just call it Coop Chain? I mean, what's the downside? Please, somebody explain to me why Algorand shouldn't just rebrand to Coop Chain. I'm saying, Algo. Oh my god. Hey, son. Did you hear Planet Watch is moving to Solana? Oh, buddy. They only need data some of the time, though, not 24/7. GFY comes through with the heat, saying that Planet Watch, every once in a while they'll get some data. Oh man, Algorand cannot catch a break. I mean, this is for real. Like, can we all just fucking sit back for a second and really think, what the fuck? Who is actually working for Algorand? Like, for it? Mass exodus out of the Inc. or technologies, and no CEO, no real announcements coming out of Boston. Borderless Capital is moving everything that it touched outside of. Now, if you guys remember, during the mALGO, so early last year, before the mALGO hack, Borderless Capital was it kind of went on the offensive towards the foundation and was sort of in a polite way trying to usurp their power and to create a more community-centric new structure for Algorand Foundation, basically. And that kind of got received. I don't know how it got received, to be honest, but I was somebody that they had considered enough to bring into the loop on that. And then shortly after that, mALGO gets exposed or exploited. And then Borderless Capital comes out and being like, well, you got to pay all and it was mainly, the failing portfolio companies for Borderless Capital were the ones that got hit the hardest, the ones that were about to close down. So, then Borderless did, well, you've got to pay all these people back. Now, somebody with a conspiracy-like mind might be like, okay, so they stole the money and now they want it paid back, so they get double the fun. That would have been the conspiracy that a man would have, but that would be irresponsible to say that. But I did hear people say that in a joking way. You know what I mean? Being like, oh man, so Borderless wants the foundation to pay back all of their exploited failing projects on Algorand. And then, so what if they're the ones that, facilitated this exploit and now they're getting paid twice? Shit like that. But that's probably not true. But still, and it's been downhill ever since. It felt coordinated. It felt obvious that this was a coordinated attack. It was clear that the hackers behind mALGO were very ingrained in the community. They continued to taunt the community by draining meaningless things, by rekeying NFT accounts. Like, this was like such a major event, and it was so obvious meant to hurt Algorand and its community. And it has. Agro token is, I don't know. They're going to be on both tokens, Tart, or both chains, I suppose, Tart. But a while back, we did get news that Agro token is building their own chain in the Polkadot ecosystem. Yeah, the sensors were duff. I don't think we've lost to RWA here. They just need to go milk elsewhere. I mean, I lost faith in Planet Watch a while ago, so good luck. I mean, I know the foundation, I think, owns, so they if they sold it, they got some money for it. So I guess that's good. Anyways, I don't know, man. Let's just fucking continue. Let's just keep a point. Who cares? Okay, but do. All right, hey. All right, let's go to CoinDesk. You got any good news for us, CoinDesk? Silvio McCauley, say the words, the syllables Al, Go, and Rand. Can you report on that? Oh my God. Silvio McCauley says the word Algorand. Okay, what visas? Share this instead. I'll share this instead. Don't care. RFK Jr. is going to be at Consensus. I wish I was at Consensus this year. I'd definitely go watch that. La 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 Elmo's World. All right, let's go to let's just get off of this. Let's do one more crypto site, then go look at prices. Oh man, that was a surprise. I was not expecting to see that Solana or that Planet Watch was moving to Solana. SEC's Gensler calls for more crypto disclosures for investors. CFTC's Benham warns crypto industry that more enforcement actions are coming. Roast and Benham said a growing crypto industry and lack of U.S. laws is going to inevitably lead to more enforcement actions. Crypto bull market coupled with the still uncertain regulatory environment is going to create the perfect storm for increased enforcement actions. We find ourselves with a growing market, growing capital and investments, growing market capitalization, and I think a renewed interest by a lot of the entrepreneurs. From my standpoint as a regulator, I'm not sharing this, am I? From my standpoint as a regulator, we're going to probably see in the next 6 to 18 months or 6 to 24 months another cycle of enforcement actions. Without action from Congress and increased regulatory transparency, agencies are going to lean more heavily on lawsuits. If you actually count the number of congressional working days between now and the election, it's really not that much time. Benham said when asked about the odds of any of the crypto-related bills making it to the floor for the vote in the House and Senate. Getting legislation done these days is difficult, but noted that there is momentum and desire from lawbreakers, to close some of the regulatory gaps around crypto, particularly stablecoins. Benham's comments comes days after a retail trading platform, Robinhood, received a Wells notice. After years of good faith attempts to work with the SEC for regulatory clarity, including our well-known attempt to come in and register, we are disappointed that the agency has decided to issue a Wells notice related to our U.S. crypto business. They barely list anything, by the way. They have, I guess, a couple of Ethereum DeFi tokens. That's probably what they're talking about in this, I guess, lawsuit. Last week, Consensus revealed it was also served a Wells notice from the SEC in addition to a number of subpoenas relating to Ethereum. When we have two agencies contradicting each other about whether one of the most utilized stablecoins in the market is a security or a commodity, we end up with uncertainty. I don't know if he's talking about Ethereum and accidentally called it a stablecoin, but fair enough. All right. Okay. Interesting. Okay. What was that? 130 billion asset manager Hightower discloses buying 68 million worth of the spot Bitcoin ETFs. All right. Fear and greed is at 57. Bitcoin is at 63 and a half. Very low volume. Very low. 25 billion. Ethereum is at 11 billion. So the volume is low. XRP is up over 50 cents, 54 cents now. Doge is over 15. AVAX mid 30s. Polkadot actually outperforming the last week. It's good for me and my bags. Chainlink Near continues to fucking outperform like crazy. Dara's up. Stacks on stacks on stacks. Sideways. Look how sideways it is. Suey had that massive unlock over the weekend and still, sideways. Thorchain, it's up over the last 7 days, that's for sure. Bonk. Algo's in the top 60 at 19 and a half. Very low volume, 53 million. All right. Sons of bitches. Okay. Go to Vestige. All right. I don't even recognize any of this shit in the trending. That's how far removed I am from this. AKPP. Is that Algo Knitter? Texas Farm. Re-advertising. Crazy Cock. Oh my God. GORA resting around 50, so it's giving back some of that parabolicness, but still kicking ass. Friend of the show. Oh, you know what? We got to talk about MESSINA. Speaking of friends of the show, we got to talk about MESSINA and their token wars. Nico's down 8%. Coop is feeling itself, doing all right, except for somebody just sold. But it's over 3 cents. Kita's up there. Kometa's front page news. And then leading out the second page news is Votecoin, Daffy, Pepe, Algo 200. Doot. Orange, Finite. Life is love. Love is life. How is the hooker doing? Hooker. Look at that. Look at these paper hands. I guess once they sell this green candle, maybe I'll buy some. Why not? All right. Hooker. Damn it, man. Market cap under 100. TVL over almost 12. God damn it, man. I swear to God, when you look in the mirror, when you fucking bitches look in the mirror, you see a bunch of titties, don't you? You got eyes full of titties. God damn it. Look at that. So now the chart looks much better. There you go, folks. Just got to zoom in sometimes. All right. Where are we at? You guys here? Okay. X gonna give it to you. So here we were. I was looking at GFY's page. Have you heard the news? Turns out Devin had a sex map all along. Come join our Discord for more info. So go to the KoopCoin Discord. Sex map. Gotta love that morning sex drive. Looks like that's the hair. I'm excited to see what these look like. Seen this moving around a lot. What's really cool about this is that our common stock is tokenized on Algorand blockchain. And so we're the only company in the United States that has our common stock tokenized. So that's cool. I mean, I remember we've been talking about that for years. If IOHK Charles sits next to you on a plane, what would you say first? Oh, shit. You're Charles Hoskinson. I talk about crypto. Can we do an interview? Please? Drake is a pop star that raps, and Kendrick is a rap star that pops. Hey. Kendrick definitely, in my opinion, won that. Bagman wants to be in a group. Okay, what am I doing here? Did you guys see the guy, the valedictorian or whatever, try to mention Bitcoin at his college and everybody started booing him? God, did you guys see, by the way, did you guys see the Tom Brady roast? Holy shit. I tried to watch Cat Williams. I didn't think it was funny. I just never really thought that guy was that funny anyways. He's kind of a legend, but I just don't, he's not my, he's not at the top of my list. But then the next day, Netflix did their roast of Tom Brady, and that shit was pretty damn funny. Oh my God. Those things are so brutal. They're so good. I'm going to see. Sorry. Oh my God. I'm going on Thursday night. I'm going to crypto.com and I'm going to see Shane Gillis and Andrew Schultz. This should be fun. Realms is partnered with XShrooms NFT from XRP. 11 spaces left. Apply. Hell yeah, dude. I love this. I love this fucking team. I don't even know who they are, but they're doing a great job. Uh-oh.
Best motherfucking shoes on the market. Best motherfucking shoes on the market. Best motherfucking shoes on the market.
Hey. All right, no more. Okay. Don't click that button. Okay. Frida is behind Realms. Damn it. One of the best roasts ever, for sure, dude. So good. Oh, my God. Tom Brady did a good job, too, when he came out. What's his face? Oh, my God. Tony Hinchcliffe. Some of that shit was brutal as hell, yeah. I was like, okay, Kill Tony guy. When Kill Tony was at the Comedy Store, I mean, now they moved to Austin, but me and my buddy used to go to Kill Tony. I tried to get up there a few times, actually. I wanted to do a minute. I wanted them to kill me. I had a minute that I was going to do. 3 times I went, but I never got called. Thought it'd be funny. My buddy got on it once. Didn't do very well. Algo Leagues, what's up, man? Good to see you. Thanks for showing up. All right. Well, look, folks, we're back. It's Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get in a more regular thing now. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling better. I got a little break, which I needed for sure. I don't necessarily, when I take these breaks, I should probably focus more on rest and relaxation, but I don't really have the good fortune to do that. But it was good to take a couple days off, and now we're back. We're going to be watching these markets. I feel like we're going to have a pretty, we're entering into the summer. May, June, July is probably going to be a pretty boring time, except for the fact that the elections are gearing up and that whole fucking disaster. But all that shit's going to happen. So I guess we'll have to talk some about that. And then eventually, I think, as we get closer into the fall, I think we're going to start seeing some fun action, as long as Gary and friends don't ruin everything. Frida is behind Realms, native, laughing my fucking ass off. Hell yeah. What else? What else did I want to say? So, let's look at the token wars. Let's see what's going on with that. I want to see what's going on over here. That's why I think that's why I went to X in the first place. Let's go to MESSINA. Let's go to MESSINA here. MESSINA ONE, liberating your digital assets with secure cross-chain bridging. I'm not sharing, am I? Okay. Enabling blockchain interoperability. The Turkins tournament. Vote for Algorand. You think for the Algorand token, you think has the most creative, most passionate, and most cross-chain driven following. Here it is. Tokens tournament number 2. Akita, Realms, Peps, RWA, A200, Coop, Barbara, and Aura. See? I passed the test. Okay, first one, MESSINA token tournament number 2. Round 1, which Algorand token do you think will do best in a cross-chain environment, and should we list on the bridge? I voted for RWA. Full disclosure, folks. RWA. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. I'm going to reveal my votes. MESSINA token number 2, round 1. They put up some, eliminating Akita and Nico in the first round is pretty brutal. Matchup number 3, Akita versus Nico. I went Nico, man. I like Nico. I think Nico's neato. You know what I'm saying? Coop versus Peps. Aw, Peps. I love the mullet, but is it a big surprise where I voted? And buddy, MESSINA token number 2. Which Algorand token do you think would be the best in the cross-chain environment? I went A200. I feel like Aura is an algo native thing. I don't think they have aspirations for cross-chain. So I went A200. Here, let's amplify this a bit here. Okay, lots of reposts. Just flooded your timeline with reposts. Well, there you go. I think MESSINA's doing a great job, man. So let's see. I'm curious to see what happens at the end of this when one of these wins. What happens? All right. I'll check in with you guys and then go. All right, fine. Nothing. All right, folks. Well, hey, it's been a good time. Thanks for showing up. Hope you have a great day. Today's Tuesday. Tomorrow's Wednesday. And then Thursday, I get to go watch comedy with a friend. Thursday will be good. Tonight, I take my kid to basketball. The Clippers and the Lakers and the Warriors are no longer in it. The Clippers looked absolutely fucking pathetic, by the way. I don't think I've done a show since their final game, but lifeless. Ugh. But Anthony Edwards, man, isn't this guy? I mean, we're loving Anthony Edwards right now. It's like Kendrick Lamar. We went from Kendrick Lamar now to Anthony Edwards. I mean, that's where I'm at. I'm like, damn, dude, that guy, the way he loves the game, the way he gasses up his teammates. I mean, that guy is just the guy. Fucking the Timberwolves are spanking the Nuggets, the defending champ, spanking them. Yesterday's game was not even as close as it ended. Just absolutely destroying the Nuggets. It's amazing. Won the first 2 games in Denver. Fuck yeah. Rooting for those dudes. And I like the Knicks. I lived in New York for 10 years. But I even liked the Knicks beforehand. Seeing like John Starks, Stephon Marbury in the crowd at Madison Square Garden for that win. So I like it. Hey, Everyday Algonaut says, everybody smash the like button to support the Coop Show. Thank you, Everyday Algonaut. Appreciate you, man. But yeah. So I'm rooting for a Timberwolves Knicks finals. Now, obviously, the Knicks, if they were first, they're going to have to get past the Pacers. But even harder will be to get past those Celtics. But I'll be rooting for the Knicks over the Celtics. They could do it. They could do it. If Josh Hart plays the way he's been playing and fucking Dante DiVincenzo, he was an underrated piece of that last time that the Warriors won the championship. That dude was an underrated piece of that puzzle. And he's showing it again. Guy's a savage. Hell yeah. Dante DiVincenzo with that massive 3 against the Pacers. I love basketball, man. I love it. Hell yeah. My kids' team went to Vegas this weekend, and I couldn't do it. They didn't win, but it was cool to hear how much they needed them. Oh, that would have been fun. Well, next time. All right, folks. Hey, thanks for showing up. I will be back tomorrow at probably 9:30, so it'll be 12:30 p.m. Eastern. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so that would make sense that I would get started around that time. And yeah, all right, folks. Hey, thanks for showing up. I will see you next time. And yeah, look, Planet Watch is going to Solana. Somebody kidnap the person in charge of TravelX. Make sure they don't leave. I don't really have anything negative to say. It's just what it is. Planet Watch was blowed anyways, I guess. Man. It's just this thing where you're seeing everything leave and not seeing anything come. Algo, you know what I mean? That's the part where it's at some point you're going to have to look at that, right? And think, okay, shit, everything's leaving and not a lot is coming.